Hi, this is Vizi Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change group name on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Creating a group DM on Discord can be a great way to communicate with multiple friends or colleagues at once. Whether you want to plan a gaming session, discuss a project, or simply catch up with a group of friends, creating a group DM is an easy way to get everyone involved in the conversation. To create a group DM on Discord, you'll need to add your friends to your friend list first. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create the group chat on your Discord. But now, what if you want to customize this group name? You want to change the group name on your Discord. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Discord. Now you can just choose on the group that you want to change the name. You want to change this group name. For example, you can open the group. You can open the group info by tap on the top of your screen. Now you can just tap on the up right corner, the three dots over here. There is an option, customize group. You can just tap on that. And here you can customize your group name. For example, you want to change this group name like this. You can also customize for the group icon or picture, which is this photo. Tap on checklist. So now you have customized your group name. You have changed your group name on your Discord. It's so simple, right? So that is how to change your group name on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.